The first threat of severe weather this spring will get plenty of notice in the Ray County town of Orick.
A tornado there 11 months ago and one nearly 50 years ago is never far from their minds, as KMBC9's Martin Augustine shows us.
You won't find many places around the Kansas City area more sensitive to the issues of severe weather than in Orick, Missouri. You can look back here and see what looks to be a demolition project at the Orick schools. Well, this is all still left over from when a tornado hit the school a year ago. This is work that will eventually rebuild this portion of the building. Over the past several months, a lot more kids have been crammed into fewer classrooms here in Orick. The tornado, which hit last May, caused so much damage, school administrators canceled the remainder of the school year. But it's not the first time a tornado's hit the school. It happened in 1967, and 2 students were killed. Because of the loss of life, since then, the school and the town have made severe storm preparedness a top priority.
I think our school has always taken those drills very seriously, just from our school's past history of losing some students in a tornado many years ago. So we've always taken them very seriously, and I think you know, our kids are even more, and our teachers are even more sensitive to it.
As for this construction, the superintendent hopes that with good weather, it'll be completed in about 6 months. In Orick, Martin Augustine, KMBC9 News.